Hi, my name is Rebecca Austin, and I chose to look a little deeper into the topic of anxiety in gifted students. This topic connects with what I see going on in the classroom, especially in a STAR tested, for one, STAR tested grade level, and also on students that excel in other places but have trouble in one area or one subject area, and especially whenever presented with assignments that are new or challenging, or whenever their peers are not accepting of where they're at and learning new material, that could be a challenge. So I've seen anxiety in many different forms over the past few years, and this article helped me to um, understand why my students are displaying this anxiety or stress. One student in particular had parents that were trying to get him into a choice school, and so they were very on him about his grades and put a lot of pressure on him, as well as he put a lot of pressure on himself to be one of the top in the class because he was just very gifted and on a different level than my other students. And so, had I known that there were some strategies or techniques that I could have used with him to kind of bring his stress from here all the way down to here with his anxiety, I think that would have made the year a little bit easier with him, and he would have had more confidence in what he was in his abilities, because um, he was a really great writer, but he didn't believe it. And so, um, getting ready for STAR on top of everything else, it was very challenging, to the point where he would just shut down because he didn't want to do the work. He didn't want to have to open up that part of his mind to write, because it was deeper than what he had had to do in the previous years growing up. So I think I could have been a better mentor to him to help ease his anxiety and to help him become more confident in what his abilities, because once he was done with a piece, it would take him far longer than the other students to get through his writing. But once he was done, it was great work. But he just was such a perfectionist that it was just not enough for him. So I'm excited to learn some more tips and tricks on how to help, because it's something that is very common, especially as the students get older.